If you've ever wanted to see every command available in Microsoft Word, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list all Word commands step by step so you can quickly explore hidden features, learn shortcuts, and better understand what Word can do. This is especially useful if you're trying to improve your productivity, customize your workflow, or just discover tools you may have never used before. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. You don't need to type anything into it because we're only using the document as a starting point to access Word's built-in macro tools. Once Word is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the View tab. Inside the View tab, find the Macros option and click it. This is where Word lets you run built-in macro commands, including a special command that can generate a full list of Word features. When the Macros window appears, look for the drop-down menu labeled Macros In. Open that drop-down and select Word commands. This step is important because it tells Word to show the built-in command set instead of just your personal macros. After that, go to the macro name list and type or select ListCommands. This is the command that creates the full command list for you. Once you've selected ListCommands, click the Run button. Word will then ask you what kind of list you want to generate. Choose all Word commands to make sure you get the complete list rather than a smaller category or filtered set. After selecting that option, click OK to continue. Word will now generate a document or output containing the list of commands. Depending on your version of Word and your settings, this may open a new document or display the results in a different window. Either way, this is where you can review the full command list and search through it for specific features, names, or tools you want to use later. This method is great if you're learning Word more deeply, trying to identify commands for macros or automation, or simply want a master list of what's available inside the app. It can also help if you're trying to troubleshoot a task and need to find the exact command name for a feature you know exists, but can't quite locate in the ribbon. And that's it. You now know how to list all Word commands in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when working with documents. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and leave a comment if you want to see more Microsoft Word tips and tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.